Singathon bako wahala bebre singathon bako wahala bebre abusia Afua Asantewaa na singathon na oye ya wahala bebre na ebe mu no finally exams no try results no ababont the Guinness World Record for issue press statement concerning the singathon na Afua Asantewaa eyeye na asem nyina wi ene se busia o disqualified Afua Asantewaa is disqualified for the second time o disqualified no. Now in this particular video, omo press station no ba abontene disqualification letter no ba ye no. And some omo boro so de ntia omo disqualify Afua Asantewaa ana face Afua so e the press statement aba abontene has me dwamu e da no hu asem so Afua e ka fa ho ai Penyah block media me so say ni dem obe like video no ada mo subscribe button and subscribe click notification icon no latest update na ba kire wa adwen dia ma me e wo comment section me so so ba so a ma shibire mo for so enya bi ahwe e tebeka ya December ni mo exactly 21st December every 12 December ni mu hoba anyone say flyer be asat air cost e media no say say Afua Asantewaa TikTok Twitter account atu di ni Afua Asantewaa singathon what I say edi flyer be buy ya opposite okay exactly 21st from 21st to 25th December 2024 I went back on a singathon I say hours no 105 hours and do divide by 24 hours a day now let's say 4 days and some hours what I say 4 days and about 23 getting 24 and the 5 days complete. That's or to now so up to 105 hours. And it's always post to this flyer exactly 12 December 2024. I is not Ghana phone in I say you're born about working. Yeah, we're showing when a bit of crackers Afua Asantewaa. Adi who started yache or first attempt at least 2023. I'm considering the Nyabotre Najiwa home. What I say, if you train you home, but the first will be never say never until the bones are rotten. Never say never. And yeah, baby, it's exactly 21st. And then you're starting a singathon. On the singathon, HHS, so I say, or starting to Kumase, now or you Kumase.
And listen.
Ana location on ne yakwa say enipa aheda amasa
Wana imani matele Bononi ya jua planke You know you go be my day. You go be my day. If you see my baby, yeah, I say, the feeling of this, not the jalabo. I'm going, I'm a fro. Nasıl bayasın sen? Nasıl yemin nasıl yemin
Everybody can say, hey, now the commander for Zanamote. If you are singathon, yeah, this journey, or embark on this journey, when to control support and farmer, no, man, yadi. After singathon, Wahala bebrebe na le paye. Anya ne say Baomia ekosra efia singathon. Okosra no. According to Baomia and the crew, Omama Afua Asantewaa 20,000 Ghana cedis. This is kind of 200 million. Any nema biscuit ne snacks ne ade bebrebe e kan ho. But Afua Asantewaa betina TikTok ebeka say there be. Won receive sika bia ne mo receive aye nema ketenketi those biscuit ne nema bi. Bazo ke sika bi kan ho e tro won ne nsa nka sika bia e ma no kra no. Ebe da na a whole lot of conversation e wo TikTok montre so man for beka say there be. E fa ye boni aye. Agent will be a blow si can now better public abese and every any manager kobisa our manager omo sponsor omo do a manage for this particular singathon omo any kobisa cause omo ne receive this kind and better media bega say e me go bi anim ase I say o be say ne any other na say and at ko tin nyina na egu aye ya twan afia say the singathon ko ye no akosi say e dabusia enno achi ana omo de resource na eba abontene na before time ko na afua I say Afua nya hint. Eti Afua dinka ba na Twitter. I know what you say. Obema thank you Ghana. Just dinka be that Ghana for us concerning the singathon or yeah. I don't make it put on Twitter so. It has been a challenging yet rewarding journey and an incredible experience. Having had the opportunity to explore my potential on the esteemed Guinness World Records platform on 2 occasions has led to discovery, growth, development, success, and life-altering events that have shaped my being. What I say, here, or think I also at least singathon na my back on 2 Guinness World Record now. Let me make attempt for 2 times. No, aboa me pa because eba brabo mo ma setine mu ne ma be a crime will be ama and for sure because of this singathon and ema ibu bi ye beti Afua Asantewaa kan san kan minimum no kan minimum be bia it no accrete an avenue for public exposure. And also update on Guinness World Record longest singing marathon individual second attempt. Record attempt was what? Unsuccessful. I just say that be Guinness World Record am my second attempt no. Ebuso there. Amfa ade na peke. I, on behalf of my dedicated team, would like to express our sincere gratitude to everyone who has supported, cheered, provided constructive criticism, been inspired, encouraged, and believed in my journey. It is idea. And I see more do and pick it and fat. But they are all Ghana for support. It was over that year. What I say. Thank you, Otum, for and I say to the second. Ice Cultural Village, NASCO Electronics, International Maritime Hospital, Pearl Natural Mineral Water, Zoom Lion, Anointed Engineering Services, Angel Drinks, Essential Cosmetics, Aqua Taps, Ashanti Region Police Team, National Sports Authority, Ashanti Region, the Media Fraternity and Blogs in Ghana, Africa, United Kingdom, Europe, Asia, United States, the world at large, and who have supported us in diverse ways. We will continue to make steady progress. It's any statement. Before I say Guinness World Record for them, they were banned. If you ask Anthony can post it, ne Twitter page. Ne go one who say I don't know. I'm picking interfere to start air do be as well. Okay, yeah. So my second attempt, it was unsuccessful, but mood from support Emma. It will be a like we are for any now. All the support Emma. Me if you ask Anthony, me that as. And now for we post it Guinness World Record for. Omo any mo gyina so a omo di disqualify Afua Asantewaa. This claim is not valid due to the guidelines rules not being met. Just say omo kyerɛ mo sɛ Afua Asantewaa Guinness World Record na ɛnhyɛ wɔ ho, but ɛnhyɛ na da ho no Afua Asantewaa ebu so. Enti ha yi omo bɛkyerɛ mu ɛnhyɛ a wabu so. 1. As stated in the guidelines, rest breaks are the only point where the claimant may stop performing the activity during the attempt. What I say, you are allowed 5 minutes rest for every continuously completed hour of activity. That's what Muchiremu said. Say, oh yeah, for every 1 biano or akonyas obe home just 5 minutes per 5 minutes. Activity and rest sequence 19 shows you took a 15-minute break at 11:25 a.m. when you had only 5 minutes rest time to use. Don't just say that one of the days now. Afua Asantewaa, you saw 15 minutes and I don't home here instead of the 5 minutes rest break. And then because of that, well, Boo and Rano so. The record attempt was therefore failed at this point. You also took 105 minutes at sequence 21 when you had only 10 minutes of accrued rest time. What does it say? I don't know if you have Asantewaa any day. Na home. Non-stop. But at the end of the day, not all na home. We can only approve a record when all of the rules have been followed, as that is how we ensure fairness across all record attempts. We congratulate you on your effort and hope you can understand our reasoning for the rejection. Next, Afua Asantewaa the singathon okoye or tunyum oja naso tunyum non-stop 105 hours. I say owomu 5 minutes break, but at the end of the day, no, unia ahome amanabruso. What I say, we are home 105 minutes. Meaning say we are home almost 2 hours. As according to them, almost say the total rest of it my home 10 minutes for overall 10 minutes. But Afua Asantewaa our home 105 minutes. I calculation almost 2 hours. It's because of that, Nadia. Afua Asantewaa, they are very, very sorry to fail you on your second attempt to embark on the Guinness, longest singing marathon journey. You see, Afua Asantewaa and Beke, and also Abadasi. Guinness World Record for Abitrim Dintia Afua disqualified. What is your view and what is your take on that? So, your mama, our conversation. Hi, Penyah Block Media.